Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel today. I have some awesome tips for all you amazing teenagers. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Prioritize self-care. Take time to do things you love, whether it's reading, painting, or simply going for a walk. Remember, taking care of yourself is just as important as everything else you do. Tip number 2. Express yourself. Experiment with your style, try new makeup looks, or rock that new hairstyle. Embrace your unique personality and let your true self shine. Tip number 3. Surround yourself with positive friends. Choose friends who uplift and support you. Spend time with people who bring out the best in you and encourage your dreams and goals. Tip number 4. Set goals and stay organized. Whether it's academic, personal, or career-related, setting goals will keep you motivated and focused. Use planners, apps, or calendars to stay organized and track your progress. And finally, tip number 5. Embrace failure and learn from it. Failure is a part of life, and it's how we grow. Don't be afraid to take risks and try new things. Remember, every failure brings you one step closer to success. That's it for today, folks. I hope you found these tips helpful. Remember to prioritize self-care, express yourself, surround yourself with positive friends, set goals, and embrace failure. Follow me.